Time now for Retire Right KC, here with Alan Becker, president, founder of Retirement Solutions Group. Now, Fidelity is estimating that the average 65-year-old couple retiring this year, they'll need $315,000 to cover their health care expenses in retirement. And that does not include long-term care, which we know is really, really expensive. Alan, talk about sticker shock. This is a big number.
Long-term care is the biggest one of those because if you need it, and the older you get, the more likely you are, it can be extremely expensive. I've unfortunately had to deal with this several times in my family, so you should have a way to cover it. But when we're talking about the Fidelity estimate, what we're talking about there is the cost of your health insurance and your health care costs. Well, that's a monthly bill, whether you've got an Advantage plan, a Medicare supplement, you've got to make sure you have the funds to cover that because we don't want some large medical expense to wipe out your savings in retirement or leave your spouse potentially destitute because you spent all the money for some other care. So we need to make sure that there's a plan for health care and have a reality check about it in retirement.
Yeah, it's a great tip. Healthcare is so expensive and you need that plan. Speaking of planning, you've brought an offer for our viewers today. Tell us about this.
Yes, we have our Retire Right Toolkit. The centerpiece of this is my book, Return on Investment or Reliability of Income, the True Meaning of ROI in the Golden Years. It's in its second edition. This is also packed full of other guides like tax charts and checklists that you can use to get ready for your retirement.
A lot of moving parts in retirement, and this kit helps guide you through some of the big questions that you need to answer. We want you to get it. It is complimentary. Call, click, text, scan that QR code. Alan and the team at RSG, they'll get that right out to you. That's this week's Retire Right KC.